If you need to start fresh with your Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt, performing a factory reset will remove all saved settings and restore the lock to its original state. This process deletes Wi-Fi connections, user access codes, and links to the Schlage Home app or other smart home systems. A reset is useful when troubleshooting persistent problems, transferring the lock to a new owner, or if you want to completely reconfigure your security settings. Just remember that after the reset, you'll need to set up the lock again from the beginning. Step 1. Make sure the lock has fresh batteries installed so the reset can complete properly. Step 2. Locate the black Schlage button on the keypad of the lock. Step 3. Press and hold the Schlage button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the lock beeps and the keypad lights flash. Step 4. Wait for the lock to restart and clear all Wi-Fi and access code data. Step 5. Open the Schlage Home app and set up the lock again, reconnecting it to Wi-Fi and creating new access codes.